Hey everyone, in this exercise I would like to show you how to use the subtotal function doing some calculations on this report. Actually, the subtotal function, the purpose of the subtotal function is to calculate the subtotal of each column. In this example, we have the columns of month, region, depot, sales manager, salesperson. So if we want to get the total amount of month, the subtotal will be able to do that. And if we want to get the total of the region or per depot, sales manager and salesperson, the subtotal will be able to do that. So that would be the purpose of the subtotal, to get the total amount for each column, which you call subtotal. Okay, let me show you how. Okay, first, okay, you have to open the data tab here and open subtotal. So here's the dialog box. We're gonna get say for example we're going to get the subtotal of month. I'm going to get the sum for that, and then we're going to get the total amount. Let's say for example January, total amount of February, so and others. Okay, but before doing that, we're going to do a sort. Okay, if we're going to get the month subtotal, we're going to sort it. Okay, if we're going to get the total of region, we're going to sort it. If we're going to get the total subtotal of depot, we're gonna sort it so as the sales manager and salesperson. Okay, so since we're gonna get the subtotal of month, we're gonna sort it. Okay, just here on the data, click the icon A to Z icon for the sort. You just click that. So the month now is already sorted. Then now we go back to the subtotal. Okay, and then we'll select the month for our uh, change, each change in. Then the function sum already selected, and then the amount. We need the amount. Okay. Here in the add subtotal box, okay, we can select the other provided these are figures. Like maybe, for example, cost, maybe another amount, or maybe some amount of deduction, some amount of, as long as it is a figure, we will be able to do that also. Okay. And then here, this box, click box, replace current subtotals. If we do another subtotals, the previous one, the previous subtotals will be removed or be deleted. So, okay, let's just tick that one. And then here, summary below the data. So if we have, let's say, for example, the total of January, the summary or the total figures will be under the month of January. Summary below the data. Okay, let's click this one. Okay, now we have the April total. Okay, because we sorted it, so the month will start with APR, April. Then next one would be August, and here's the total as well, 14 million. And the December total, 11 million. February total, 18. January total, 15M. July, June, March, May, November, October, September. So it's alphabetical, the month, okay? So we got grand total as well here. If you notice on the left side, there's what you call a view pane. Okay, what's the view pane? It has one, two, three. So for the three, okay, something wrong here. Okay, it's for the three. We view everything. Okay, for the number two view pane, we only have the view of the total per month. Okay, so these are the total per month. These are the text, the total per month. Okay, so that's for the view pane number two. View pane number one, we just see the grand total. Well, let's go back to view pane number three, which we see everything. Now, okay, we go to the subtotal again, and let's try it. We change the sum to average. Okay, so we get the average. We don't change the month or we didn't do the sorting. We'll just change the function from sum to count. So we have a average now. I rather from sum to average. So we have average for April, average for August, average for December, and so are the others, the other months. Okay. So it's the same. You can also see it in the view pane 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's go back to subtotal. We go back to the sum. Here's the sum. Okay. So as long as this is clicked, the previous one will be replaced. Okay. So the average are replaced with total. Okay. Now let's go to, okay. What we do is we're gonna remove the previous one. What we did the previous one, we remove that the subtotal that we have done previously. Remove that, so it goes back to the original uh, report list here. Okay, the next one that we're gonna do is we're gonna uh, get the subtotal of region per region. So we'll just go to the, don't forget, always don't forget, if you want to do the month, you sort the month. If you want to do the region, you sort the region. You sort the depot, you sort the sales manager, and sort the salesperson. Okay. I'll give you an example. If we don't sort, okay, we'll go to the subtotal, and then we get the subtotal of region. And then we click OK. See what happened? If you don't sort, this is what happened. Okay, you cannot even read it. Okay, so we remove the subtotal. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're gonna sort from A to Z the region. Just click the icon here. Okay, now the region is sorted. We go to the subtotal. Okay, and then we'll select the, okay, the region is already selected, and just click OK. So we have now total per region. If you see the month now, month is mixed. April, August, December, February, January, July, June, March. See, because what we are getting as our subtotal is per region now. So we get total for region 1, 17M. We get total for region 10. See, it started with region 10, then the next one was region 10 because it was sorted, no? So region 11, see? Okay. We sorted it, so that's why it's 1, 10, 11. Then the next for 11 is 12. Okay. Then it goes back to the small number 2 because this is region, first number is 1, then the next one would be region 2. So we get total of region 2 as well. So if you see in our subtotal, we say summary below data, okay? So therefore, the here the region 1, the total is below data. So that's why the total subtotal is indicated here after the region 1. Okay? So everything here are getting the subtotal. All the regions are getting the subtotal. Okay. So we'll try the depot. We'll try the depot now next. So we'll just remove all. Okay, remember why I remove it? Because I want to get the depot sorted. So we'll get the depot sorted. So it's now the first depot is Bacolod, then Bohol comes next, then Cagayan de Oro, Calamba, Cebu, Cotabato, etc. Okay, so we go back to the subtotal, open it, and in the dialog box, okay, we'll select the depot here, and then just click OK. Okay, so we got the total of Bacolod, total of Bohol, total of Cagayan de Oro, total of Calamba, total of Cebu, Cotabato, Dagupan, Davao, Dipolog, General Santos, Iloilo, Imos, Lawag. I have to mention all the depots, so okay, I would not be biased on the depot. Malolos, Naga, Osamis, Pagadian, San Fernando, okay, okay, Santiago, Santiago belongs to Region 2, Tacloban belongs to Region 8. So Tagum is in Region 11 as well as Davao is Region 11. Okay. So say, Nantugigaraw in Region 2. All right? Cagayan Valley. Okay, we have tried the 3 columns already. Per month, per region, on per depot. Okay. The next one that we're gonna try is sales manager. Okay. Okay, we'll just select the sales manager. Okay, we'll just remove it. See, I almost forgot to sort it. So we have to sort it first. Okay, we're gonna sort the sales manager. Now it's sorted. Then we go to the subtotal. Okay, don't forget this should be clicked. Okay. Then we select the sales manager. That's the one that we're gonna get the subtotal. And click OK. Okay, we have now subtotals for per sales manager. So Albert is the sales manager of Legazpi and Naga Depot under the Region 5. And these are the sales month for him. January, July, March, May, November, September, February, June, and October. See? This is under Albert, the sales manager. And he got 2 salesperson or salesman. Okay, salesperson because this man and woman. So Charles and Amy. Okay. And this is the total for Albert for Region 5, Legazpi and Naga Depot. Okay, for Albert. The couple of salesperson who sold this amount, sold the products to get this amount total. Okay. And then for Alex, this is the total for Alex, total for Anna, total for Bob, etc. Okay. So we got it. Now let's try the salesperson. Okay. Remove all. Then, okay. I just want to do everything so that you will get used to it, no? More familiarization. That's the purpose that I want to, to give you more familiarization. So I did all the month, region, depot, sales manager. Then the last one would be salesperson. Okay, let's do the salesperson. First thing first, we have to sort. So don't forget to sort, otherwise you will not get the right return or result. Okay, so go to subtotal, then we're gonna select the salesperson. Okay, and click OK. Okay, okay, the salesperson, we got total for Alan, total for Amalia, total for Amy. Okay, Alan is under Region 3, Depot is Malolos, Amalia, that's the total, she's under Brad, the sales manager, Tuguegarao Depot, Region 2, in Tuguegarao. Region 5, Naga, there are 2, okay, here, there are two sales managers, Bob and Simon. Here only one, Brad. And here in Region 5, uh, sales managers were indicated, Albert and Ronnie. But one salesman, Amy, and this is the total for Amy because we are getting the subtotal for Amy. Okay, so that's it. Okay, then the view pane again, same thing. Okay, total for all the salesperson and the grand total view pane. Okay, you always go to the number three, that because that's the entire total or the entire list. Okay, so now we're gonna do something else. Okay, first we're gonna remove all. Now we're gonna do by layer. Okay, by level. Okay, we're gonna do region and then the depot subtotals, both, right? Okay, this is how are you going to do it. So we cannot do it. We cannot what you call sort it at the same time like what we did. You know, that's why we're gonna use this. You know, this icon here, EZ and ZA sort. Okay, just click that. Then it will open a dialog box. Then you can add label, you can delete label, or you can copy label and get options. So we don't do that. So we just add label. Okay. The first one that we're gonna add is region. We're gonna add region first, then add label. The second label would be the depot. Okay. 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 Let's try doing two labels first. Then try third one maybe next. Okay. Click OK. Values. Okay, that's values. The other one would be sort on cell color, font color. We're not doing that. We'll just need to select the values and then A to Z. Okay, then click OK. Okay, then we go to the subtotal. Okay, before I forget, I want to get rid of this tick. Okay, remove the tick. Otherwise, it will be the subtotal function that we did before. When we do another one next, that the first one, the previous one will be deleted. So we don't do that. We don't want that to happen. Right? So the first one we selected was region, right? So we select the region. Then everything else is okay. Sum, okay, that's okay. Sum. Click OK. Okay. Now what happens? We have the region, right? And remember we have sorted the depot. Okay, we're gonna do the depot as well. So we go to the subtotal, then select the depot here, right here. So that's the reason why we don't want the tick here in the replace, because if we take here, the one that we did for region will be deleted. Okay, we don't want that to happen. So we unclick the replace current totals. Okay, then just click OK. Click OK. And also you can actually page break between groups. So no need for that. Then click OK. Okay. See what happens? We have for region 1, we have the GoPan total. Okay, the GoPan total. Under the sales manager, Alex and Raymart, and the salesperson, Bert. Okay. And then still on region 1, we have Lawag total. Okay, 10 million. For the GoPan, 7 million. So we have the GoPan and Lawag total separate. But this is under one region, region 1. Okay, Lawag and Dagupan is under region 1. So the total 7 million plus 8 million, the total rather 10 million under Dagupan and Lawag Depot. That makes region 1 total of 17 million. Okay, for region 10, we got Cagayan de Oro total and we got Osamis total. And both Cagayan de Oro and Osamis belongs to region 10, so you get region 10 total. Okay, so this is what you do when you have a layer of subtotals. Okay, then the next one would be region 11, Davao total, region 11 again, Tagum, Tagum total, and region 11 total. See, everything else are like that. Okay. What happens to the butane? We have number 4 added. So right now we have 4. Okay, let's see what happens if we click number 3, butane. Oh, we get the Goban total here, Lawag total here, and region 1 total. Okay. The next one would be Cagayan de Oro and Samis total, and then region 10 total. Okay, next one for region 11, Davao and Tagum totals. Okay, and region 12, we get to Tabato and General Santos. Region, that would be for region 2, Santiago and Tuguegarao. For region 3, Malolos and Fernando. Okay, so that is the view pay number 3. Let's say number 2. Number 2 is just all region. Okay, all region. For number 1, grand total. Okay, let's go to number 4. Okay, so see, number 4, it shows depot under 1 region. Okay, it could be three depots. It could be 4 depots under 1 region. No, but in this example, I just gave 2 depot. Okay, it will take some time to prepare this exercise. I don't want to spend lots of time doing, the preparation, because I want to show it to you right now. So, okay, that's what happened when you have 2 layers. What about 3 layers, 2 levels? Okay, we'll remove this one first, right? Okay, so we go back to the sort table here, the icon. Okay, we already have region and depot. We'll just add what's next. Sales manager. We'll just add 1 level more. Okay. Sorry. We'll just add here the depot and then the sales manager here in that order. Okay. And click OK. Nothing we missed. Okay. Okay. Oh, nothing we missed. Okay. So 3 columns are already sorted. First one is region, depot, then sales manager. Okay. And it's just open. Sorry. Oh, yeah, it's open this. Okay. Again, remember, this should be blank. Replace current subtotal should be blank, but remain the summary below data. And the first one we're going to do is the region first. Okay. Region. Click OK. Okay. Now we have total for region. Per region. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to click the next one would be, we have sorted is the depot, right? So click depot. Okay, the last time we did is region 1, region per region and per depot subtotal. Then there was a third level that we have sorted, that was the sales manager. Then we'll get the sales manager right here. So sales manager, just click that sales manager and everything else is okay. Then click OK. Okay, now we have 3 levels of subtotals. Okay, the first one is region 1, Dagupan. Oh, we don't have subtotal here because this belongs to Alex. Okay, and salesperson Bert. These numbers. Okay, then we have the sales manager total Alex, manager Alex here. Then we still have the December. Okay, different months. Okay, because we did not include the month. Okay, in our sorting. So we have Dagupan still under region 1. Okay, we have Raymart as our manager. What we're interested on the salesperson, because the sales manager rather. Yeah, so that's why we have Raymart total here. And then we have Dagupan. We have Dagupan total here. Okay. Okay. So we have one group here for Alex, another group for Raymart, and then Lawag still under region number 1. Lawag still Alex as the sales manager. So this is the total of Alex, and then under region 1 Lawag, Raymart, the sales manager. So this is the total of Raymart. Okay, total of Alex, total of Raymart, total of Alex again, and Raymart here. Okay, then we have the lawag total now. Okay, I mean the depot, dagupan total here. Okay, and lawag total here as per depot. Then all of this is under region 1. That's why we have the total here for region 1. So same thing happened to the next region, like in region 10, you had Cagayan de Oro, sales manager Jill total, then Orlando manager total here, and then Cagayan de Oro total. Then still on region 10, Ozames, you have Jill, Annie as the salesperson, Jill total here, okay? And the last one would be region 10, okay? Subtotal, okay? I hope you understand this. So it's pretty straightforward. It's not like the pivot table where you have the columns and you have the rows. This one just just we're just getting the subtotal for each column. We got the subtotal per month, region, depot, sales manager, and we're not gonna do the salesperson. Okay, we already have enough. Okay, now you see the view pane. It becomes 1, 2, 3 up to 5. So this is the total view. You go to number 4. This is the view of the number 4, Alex total, Raymart total, and then Dagupan total, Alex total, Raymart total, then Lawag total, and then region 1 total. The same thing goes with region 10, region 11, region 12. So it's easy to do. You just need practice and be able to familiarize then, and you get used to it. Just like what you did in pivot table. Okay. So I hope you like this presentation, this exercise today. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe and share. And thank you.